never in the history of this institution have we ever received such virulent public attacks for the decayed road infrastructure in the city, like the case has been this financial year. Early warnings notwithstanding. I think all of you will agree with me and say, oh, this has been a year and a half for this institution. The unprecedented denunciation has been so relentless from all corners, so much so that the institution of KCCA became a subject of ridicule in all media platforms. This rather emotive matter evoked quite sentimental invectives that saw a very aggressive social media campaign dubbed the Kampala Pothole Exhibition, where all manner of insults were sagaciously hurled at the institution, and a myriad of both actual potholes and caricatures or parodies were widely shared in the social media. This matter appeared on the floor of Parliament severally, where the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honourable Thomas Tayebwa, dramatized it further with an uncanny statement that we have observed the potholes of all designs in Kampala. Let me mimic his voice. We have observed potholes of all designs in Kampala, deep and shallow ones, wide and narrow, beautiful and ugly. That was the Deputy Speaker. I hope I have tried my best. Honorable members, it's on record that the State Executive Committee raised a red flag over this very thorny issue well in time. Our clarion call was followed up by concrete measures that were contained in a comprehensive report presented to the Authority Council of 24th January 2023. We specifically underscored the fact that city infrastructure has been rotting away over the years, and the limited interventions made have had a negligible impact, where a pitiful 7 kilometers were added onto the previous 647 kilometers of paved roads this financial year. Where we stand today, from the records, for the record, Madam Speaker and honorable members, as you correctly observed, we received the quarterly reports. We also received the annual performance report, and we were ready to present them to the last council sitting, only that there was no quorum. But we are ready. But from these records, these are not my records, but from these records, we have a total of 654 kilometers paved now, as we stand as a city. Up from 647 by the time I delivered the state address last year. Now it is 655 kilometers. At that time we had 647, meaning in the whole financial year we have added 7 kilometers. I raised this with the DED in the the roads committee meeting, and I said, please be on record. If these figures have got some inaccuracies, you correct them before today. And as we speak today, I've not received any correction of these figures. So I take them for gospel truth, that we have only managed to construct 7 kilometers in the whole financial year. So this is exactly what I got from the statistics. I did not manufacture this for myself. And quote it, I have the reports in my office. 654 kilometers we have right now. Last year, the total we had was 647. I hope at least that is elementary mathematics. With 647 and 654. Whereas, where we stand today, I'm on page 37, where we stand today, a total of 654 kilometers is paved, representing only 31% of the 2,110 kilometers of the entire state road network, but not necessarily in a motorable condition as indicated Honorable members, I want to draw your attention